In this phase, the raw forged piece is loaded into the machining center, where the initial roughing and threading are carried out. The piece is then rotated and finished in the second part according to the standards specified in the die datasheet. In this phase, the operator loads the roughened and threaded die into the gun drilling machines. Every small mistake in the position of the units could become an error in the holes grid. This one must be perfectly honeycomb. If the drilling units are not perfectly aligned, areas can be noticed where the rows of holes have a distance that is not perfectly equal, or areas where the holes nearly touch. In the sharpening department, gun and helical drills are sharpened after each operation. The counter-boring step's main purpose is to create a facility for the pellet to exit due to the lower thrust in the die lateral bands. Sometimes, counter-boring can be performed on all holes, especially to reduce the pressure required for extrusion. Once counter-bored, all dies are cleaned using an automatic washing machine. The piece is loaded onto the basket and a pre-wash check is carried out, entering the inner diameter, thickness, and die height. Countersinking is a very important operation, and irregular tapering causes an irregular die work. Clogging and vibrations are often due to too deep or non-constant depth taperings. Depth is defined based on the operator's experience, and it varies from operator to operator. All die progress to the final inspection phase before heat treatment, where all previous operations performed by the operators are verified by comparing the technical datasheet with the processing actual state. Once all dies meet the requirements, they are loaded into vacuum hardening ovens and then into tempering ovens. All the clamping surfaces, cylindrical, conical, or collar type of the dies, are retouched on the lathe using ceramic inserts to ensure a glossy finish and proper fit with the wear ring. We produce 2,500 dies per year. Benefits of our dies include a stress-free startup, steady productivity, and a life anyway longer than the last die provided. Why choose our dies? Because we ensure a high quality standard and we are constantly seeking improvements.